Hello and welcome to this video in which we're gonna talk about the 8 best affiliate marketing programs for beginners 2022. You're undoubtedly overwhelmed by the number of things you need to do if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing. True, anyone can establish a blog, but only a few people know how to monetize it efficiently through affiliate marketing. Even some super affiliates overlook ways to improve their content's optimization. It's not just about the money in affiliate marketing. Tip: chasing the highest paying affiliate schemes is a bad idea. To begin, let's clear up a common misunderstanding. It's one of the most prevalent blunders made by both new and experienced bloggers. Rather, getting into programs that are matched with your expertise is the first step to successful affiliate marketing. One of the most important aspects of successful affiliate marketing is promoting items that you either use or have no reservations about recommending to your audience. Your goal should be to establish a strong brand in your field and to establish yourself as an expert on related issues. Don't talk about or promote things that aren't in your wheelhouse. It's deceptive and alienates your target audience. Your readers will see straight through it right away. These are the greatest affiliate networks for any novice, regardless of your niche. You can't go wrong with any of them, and I strongly advise you to participate in all 9. Create your content first. Tip: when submitting affiliate merchant applications, be very strategic. Create your content first before applying to any affiliate network if you're new to affiliate marketing. When you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, it's easy to feel worried. I understand you want to see results as soon as possible. But before started, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to miss any new video. 1. Affiliate program with Amazon. For many newbies, Amazon is the preferred affiliate network. Is one of the world's largest and most reputable e-commerce platforms. If you want to link to any for sale items, Amazon is the place to go. I propose the WordPress plugin AAWP if you want to better manage your Amazon affiliate connections. This plugin can generate Amazon links that are tailored to the country of each site visitor. AAWP can also show current Amazon prices and develop product summary boxes, which will help your site convert more visitors. 2. Commission Junction is CJ. Commission Junction is the second oldest affiliate program on the internet, right after Amazon. The corporation is commonly referred to as CJ by industry insiders. It's a network, not an e-commerce store, unlike Amazon. Our means that CJ, like the other networks on this list, will connect you, the affiliate, with merchants and manage the majority of your interactions. This can be a godsend if you're a beginner affiliate marketer because you won't have to work directly with a merchant. CJ's service is used by over 1,500 merchants at the time of writing. This network has sellers in a wide range of categories, thus it's highly suggested that you join. 3. Impact is one of the list's newest affiliate networks. Former Commission Junction, Savings.com, and Lead Point employees launched the startup in 2008. Impact has over 1,000 merchants in its network at the time of writing. There's a wide range of merchants to choose from, just like Commission Junction. Impact's application process is a touch more difficult than CJ's, but once in, I've found it easier to persuade businesses to accept me. 4. Awin. The following item on the list might be one you've never heard of before. Awin is a newcomer to the field of play. It was formed in August 2017 when Zenox and Affluent, 2 other affiliate networks, merged. Awin is one of the better networks, with over 8,000 merchants and a simple user interface. If you have any overseas visitors, Awin offers affiliate programs in a variety of countries, so I recommend it. Keep in mind, though, that Awin's merchants appear to be more interested in real goods than software or SaaS. 5. Sale. ShareASale is owned by Awin and offers some of the best merchant options. Currently, ShareASale works with over 1,000 merchants that sell everything from real goods to software services. This is ideal for this website's internet marketing goal. The application process is straightforward, and you may get conversion data from current affiliates. My main complaint is that most businesses only provide a limited amount of links. One of the benefits of the Share a Sale service is that it allows you to see how productive the merchants you work with are. The average sale, conversion rate, EPC, profits per click, and how they rank in the Share a Sale service are all provided by Share a Sale. 6. Flex Offers is the sixth option. Flex Offers frequently offers affiliate programs that are similar to those offered by other networks such as CJ. In its system, Flex Offers has over 12,000 merchants. It's possible that it's one of the biggest affiliate networks out there. Flex Offers is a sub-affiliate platform that works directly with various retailers. This implies Flex Offers enrolls as an affiliate in a merchant's program and allows bloggers to use its affiliate links instead of directly contacting the retailer. You'll divide the commission with Flex Offers for each affiliate sign-up. 7. Sovereign/business. Although I am not a big believer of employing automation to post merchant connections on a blog, some affiliates want to make money quickly. This may be accomplished with Sovereign/Commerce. This product was previously known as VigLink. CPC, cost per click, and CPA, cost per acquisition, merchants are available through the program. Sovereign/Commerce uses a WordPress plugin or Google Tag Manager to automatically put affiliate links into your blog entries. Sovereign/Commerce is the way to go if you're searching for a simple approach to monetize using affiliate links. Flex Offers can function as a go-between for you if you're having trouble getting into a particular affiliate network since you're new. 8. Hyperlinks. Skimlinks, like Sovereign/Commerce, will build affiliate links in your articles for you automatically. This can be a useful option for content that is developed without your involvement, such as a forum. You can manually insert links as well. Currently, Skimlinks works with over 24,000 merchants in a variety of niche marketplaces. I also recommend that you join up for this one.